Happy morning, children. Welcome back to our science online class. Children, hope you all are doing good. Children, today we are going to start a new lesson, that is materials from the earth. Before starting the lesson, I will ask you some questions. Children, what do you know about earth? Can you say? Yes, it is only planet known to have life on it. Then it is one of the rocky planet in the solar system. Then you know Earth has provided all things necessary for living beings. Then Earth is made of materials including rocks, soil, water and air. Each materials are important resources for life, agriculture and industry. Isn't it, children? Then many of the things we use every day are made with materials. From where we get these materials, children? Yes, from the earth. Among these materials are clay, stone, metals and glass. Children, we know earth is one of the rocky planet in the solar system and the surface of the earth is made of rocks. Then you know what is rock, then how it made of? Rock is made of stone and mineral matter. When rocks get broken into small pieces, they form soil. Then largest pieces are called sand. Then the fine pieces of soil are called clay. Okay, the fine pieces of soil are called clay. In this lesson, we are going to learn about the materials like clay, stone, metals and glass. First one is clay. Children, you know what is clay? Fine pieces of soil are called clay. Then why we are using clay, children? And what are the uses of clay? Yes, we used clay to make pots, vases, storage bins and many other things. The things made out of clay are called pottery. Children, very fine pottery made out of a special kind of clay is called china or porcelain. You know what is very fine pottery? The potteries like dinner set, ceramics and all examples for very fine pottery. Then how it will make, children? It will made using a special kind of clay is called china or porcelain. You know why this word? Because 1400 years ago, Chinese people only started to make this kind of pottery. Children, you know how is pottery made and what are the different steps to make pottery? You know? Okay. To make pottery, clay is first cleaned and mixed with other things. The first step is the clay is first cleaned and mixed with other things. For example, to make bone china, that is very fine pottery, the clay is mixed with bone ash. Okay, you know what is bone ash? Bone ash means burnt bones. Okay, then the clay is molded or given shape. First they cleaned and mixed with other things. Then if they want to make very fine pottery, they mix with bone ash. Then the clay is molded or given shape. Then it is baked in an oven called kiln to make it stronger. So why they are baking these things, children? Yes, to make it stronger. And some pottery may be coated with polish. This is called glazing. Toilets, basins and tiles are also made of clay. Then you know what is the name of unglazed pottery? Unglazed pottery is called terracotta. Unglazed pottery is called terracotta. Clay is used to make bricks. Children, why we are using bricks? Yes, bricks are generally used to make houses. Children, you know how is bricks made? First, the clay is cleaned and mixed with water. Then they add things like sand, ashes and iron. Then the paste is molded, that is shaped into bricks. Finally, the bricks are fired in kilns. Next, clay is used to make cement. You know how is cement made? Cement is made in factories by heating a mixture of clay, limestone and water. Then why we are using cement, children? We use cement mixed with the sand and water to stick bricks and stones together. When the paste dries, it sticks like glue. Stones. Children, Man started using stone to make things thousands of years ago. Okay, before they started to making pottery, they used stones. So these ancient times, okay, those ancient times called Stone Age. You know why? Because people made weapons, tools, and other things out of stones. From where they get stone, children? Stones have to be dug out from the earth. Okay, then digging for stones, another thing is called mining. Then you know what is mines? Tunnels and holes dug into earth to take out stone, metals, and coal are called mines. Okay, digging for stones and other things is called mining. What they will do? They will dug into the earth to take out stone, metals, and coal are called mines. Children, you know what are the uses of stones? There are different types of stones are there, and they have different uses also. First, stones used as building material. Children, if people want to make strong buildings like castles, forts, temples, mosques, etc., they use stone. And some other stones are granite, marble, slate, limestone and sandstone. Why we are using these stones, children? Yes, these are used to cover floors, to make tabletops, etc. Stone chips. Children, you know what are stone chips? They are tiny pieces of rocks. Then why we are using these, children? These are mixed with sand and cement to make concrete. Okay. Then it is also used to make buildings, bridges, pillars, etc. Then stone chips are also used to make roads. Children, stones have other uses also. You know, some stones like diamond, ruby, emerald, and sapphire are very valuable. We know it is very costly. They are called precious stones or gems. Why we are using these precious stones, children? Yes, these are used to make jewelry. And some stones like topaz and garnet are less valuable. They are called semi-precious stones. Okay. Then why we are using these semi-precious stones? Yes, these semi-precious stones also used to make jewelry. Children, diamond is also used to make glass cutting tools. Children, you know what are the other useful stones? The other useful stones are chalk, graphite, coal and talc. Chalk. It is a white color stone. Why we are using chalk, children? It is used to write on blackboards and to make things like lime. Graphite. You know what is graphite? Graphite is also a type of stone and it is used to make batteries and pencil lead. Why we are using coal, children? Coal is burned to get heat. Talc. Talc is also a type of stone used to make talcum powder. It is also added to the pulp from which paper is made. Okay, children, what we have learned today? Yes, we learned about different materials from the earth. First one is clay. Why we are using clay, children? Yes, clay is used to make pottery. It is used to make bricks and cement. Then we learned about different types of stones and the uses. Okay, some stones are used as building materials. Okay, then some are used to cover the floors and some are used to make roads. And some stones like diamond, ruby, emerald, sapphire, they are very valuable and very costly. They are called precious stones, and some stones like topaz and garnet are less valuable. They are called semi-precious stones. Then these stones are used to make jewelry. And some other useful stones are chalk, graphite, coal and talc. Chalk is used to write on blackboards and to make things like lime. Then graphite is used to make batteries and pencil lead. Coal is burned to get heat and talc is used to make talcum powder. Children, hope you all understood about the topic what we learned today. Then read page number 49, 50 and 51 and learn fill-ups also. Write your classwork very neatly without any mistake. Have a superb day, children. Stay safe.